that you have wings like eagles. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share is just a comforting message from my reading that we all have wings like eagles. You may have some things that are oppressing you today, some things that are unfair, some things you don't understand. But stay encouraged. You have wings like eagles coming into your life, which means you are going to soar higher than you ever imagined. When you believe in God, when you trust God, the God you believe who made you is going to carry you out of the depression, carry you out from the heartache, carry you out from the loneliness, or out of poverty and lack. He equipped you with wings like eagles. You're not going to just make it through the loss, through the breakup, or through the trouble. He's about to carry you into abundance, carry you into freedom, carry you into joy and peace. So do not be discouraged when you are stuck of problems and difficulties in life. You are going to feel with yourself, have wings like eagles, lifting you up, restoring you, pushing back the darkness, open doors, and promoting you, taking you where you can go on your own. When you believe in God, everything is possible. He may not turn it around instantly, but the rest in faith, knowing that is going to carry you through. You're coming out better than you were before. Trust and believe in God, because He equipped us with wings like eagle, and He is not going to leave us on our own in our life battles. He is going to carry us on, have wings like eagles, and He is going to lift us up above. Yes, He will lift us to be with Him. He will carry us over, out, and through what is going on with our life. So do not hold back. You are totally equipped with wings like eagle. Just simply believe the Creator of the universe that He is taking you higher and have a abundance and successful life. Yes, if you believe in God, you will become more strong and courageous. You are going to soar like eagles if you keep doing the right thing, trusting Him that He's guiding you and leading you every day. As it says in Exodus 19:4, you saw how I snatched you from the bands of slavery and carried you on eagle's wings and brought you to myself. So do not feel discouraged. Do not stuck in a difficult situation. Turn around your mindset. Think that you have a tool you can use in your life, and that tool is a wing. You have wings like eagle. You're going to soar where you want to be. But the key here, we have to do the prayer, the meditation, asking the Creator of the universe to lead us and guide us every day. You are good enough. You are talented enough. All things you are going to do, you can make it. When you believe that you are totally equipped, You are totally handled by the Creator of the universe. But keep communicating in Him. Feeling good that you have a special tool you can use. That wings, it can make you fly wherever you want to fly. He is going to restore you. He is going to push you back from the darkness. He's going to open new doors and promote you, taking you where you cannot get on your own. Yes, you have to believe and you have to feel the eagle's wing on you will lift you up higher and higher every day when you keep trusting God that He is working for you every day. This is Shundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.